Hello, it's Wednesday, January the 5th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was up against most of the major currencies after official data showed that orders placed with US factories unexpectedly rebounded in November, together with the Federal Reserve saying that improvements in the economy didn't meet the threshold for scaling back their plans to purchase $600 billion in bonds. The Nasdaq weakened by 0.38% and the Dow rose by 0.18% respectively. Crude weakened by 2.4% to close at $89.38 a barrel. Gold also fell by 3.1%, the lowest rate during the past 3 weeks, to close at $1,378.80 an ounce. The euro weakened versus the dollar after a better than expected data from US led investors to prefer a safer investment like the dollar. The euro-dollar will continue to trade in a negative range as long as the rate remains below 134.50. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 132.50. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 132.91 and a high of 134.34. Today, industrial new orders are expected at 1.60% versus minus 4.20% prior. The pound strengthened against the dollar and the euro, as report showed UK manufacturing expanded at the fastest pace in 16 years in December, coming out at 58.3 versus 57.3 forecast. The momentum of the pound dollar is unclear in the past few days. As long as the pair is trading below 156.50, a short position is preferred. The next support on the 1-hour chart is at 154.50. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 154.54 and a high of 156.45. Today, construction PMI is expected at 51.20 versus 51.80. The yen fell to a 4-day low against the dollar as strong Japanese share prices boosted demand for higher yielding assets. The dollar yen has been on a bullish trend during these past 2 days. As long as it remains above 81.50, the US dollar will continue to be more attractive. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 81.61 and a high of 82.28. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This fell for the first time in 10 days versus the dollar after crude oil, the nation's largest export, dropped below $90 a barrel. The momentum of the dollar CAD has been bullish in the past 3 weeks. Next resistance on the daily chart is at 100.20. If the rate breaks above this, the pair could strengthen to 101.00 or 101.50 levels. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9916 and a high of 100.34. No economic data is expected today. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.